Well, so much for the truck. Last Wednesday, the transmission went out. From what I could tell, it was the, what do they call it? The sun shield gear, something gear in the Chevy Blazers. Apparently GM's got a bad batch, but this one couldn't be bad. I mean, 18-year-old truck, it drove well. But I lost reverse, second, and fourth. It's interesting because I was at work when it happened. I was pulling into work. But I was able to drive home in first and third, and it's an automatic, so it's high rev in first getting here. I was able to get it back home. I'm going to miss the truck. I'm going to have to have it hauled off. It's just no use to me now, because I have now added a new vehicle to the stable. The Kia Amante. So far, I'm really liking this vehicle. It's got a V6 in it, which I was actually just looking for 4-cylinder, but right price for me. I got paperwork. Yeah, somebody left the Essential Jackson's CD in the CD player. Here's the interior. Looking really classy. This is the back seat. I thought the back seats pulled down, but I guess they don't. Got my girl's car seat in there. The little center console thing does allow for longer things to be stored. So that's the one hole to the trunk. But yeah. That's the whole setup up there. Still got the wrap on the mats. Probably leave those on a while. It's got a nice comfy feel to it. It's not hard shocks, but it's comfort. I mean, I don't know what else to say. This is a nice little vehicle for me. And the trunk's deceptive. This actually got a lot of room. I could put 2 PA speakers and my flight case in it. One thing I found out last night when checking out all the lights, somebody has installed HID headlights. Those are like ultra bright white. Because when I was seeing the sign down the road, is just white, very bright. I don't know if they're self-leveling or not, but you can definitely see with them. It's also got fog lights, those bottom ones, right there. Those are fog lights too. That's pretty cool. Never had fog lights before, so I don't know how well it does. I don't really drive in fog that much. Anyways, naming this car Big Black, because it's not a small car. It's very roomy inside. Even though it may look smaller, I would say it's just short of the length of the Blazer there overall. So it's a nice sedan. Works for me. So that's what I got. Drives very well for the last couple of days. I'm really liking it. Just thought I'd show you what I got after what happened. It's been a hell of a week. But usually bounce back. Unless I fall on my butt like I about did. There you go. Thanks for watching.